In the metals quadrant, taking a look at a June gold futures contract, which has now made 6 consecutive new intraday all-time highs, including today's new high of $2,350, which was up 1.8%. Today was also a new all-time high closing price, but it was not a straight up day, as we fell 0.97% to reach a low of 2,286.20. We finished the day pretty close to the highs, up about 1.65%. We are now on a weekly basis up 4.8%, which is the strongest weekly rise since the week of October 2nd, 2023. It's also the 5th week of higher prices in the last 7. Now, today we had payrolls data and they came in strong but mixed. We had a surprise in the headline payrolls at 303,000 jobs added, but we had a drop in the unemployment rate with a simultaneous rise in the participation rate. Last month's headline figures were also revised lower to 270,000 from 275. We've now had 39 consecutive months of positive payroll figures. This type of payroll figure is not necessarily consistent with rate cuts this year, but the market still has those priced in, and rate cuts are a massive tailwind for precious metals, hence the 6 consecutive new intraday all-time highs and today's closing high and this week's strong finish on a weekly basis. Yields also rose today. They rose again, and on a weekly basis, we're up double digits across the curve, but the dollar in the aggregate closed lower and finished lower on the week for the first time in 4 weeks, and that's also supportive of gold prices. So keep an eye on those factors next week as we see where gold goes.